Good morning, everyone. In this class, we will study chapter 4, length. So, let's start. So, long back, do you know how people use to length to measure the length of various objects? Yes, they sometimes use palm or forearm or feet to measure the length of the objects. But these methods never gave an accurate result. So nowadays we make use of ruler to measure the length when we have so small objects. So as I am saying length, to measure the length. So first question comes in mind, what is length? So length, it is used for identifying the size of the object, means how much the object is long. So this is called length. Centimeter is the unit of length. So whenever we need to measure the small object, we always use centimeter. So centimeter is the unit of length. We use centimeter to measure the length of the shorter object. So let's study the ruler here. So suppose I have a eraser, but I need to measure the length. So what thing I need to use to measure the length of the eraser? Yes, you are correct. We use ruler to find out the length of the eraser. Can you see the ruler here? Yes, ruler is here. Let's study the ruler. So here you can see so many divisions. So some lines are longer while others are smaller. You can see this line is longer, this line is longer, this line is longer. So the longer line represent numbers in centimeters. You can see, for example, this one, this one is the longer one, this one is the longer one, and this one is the longer one. So the longer line represent the number in centimeter and the shorter one is called division. So if I say this, we will always start from 0. We cannot start from 1. Okay, we always start from 0 whenever we need to measure any of the length of the object, of the shorter object. We always start from 0. So 0 centimeter. After again we get the longer line, 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, then 3 centimeter. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1 length is called 1 centimeter, and 1 to 2 length is called 2 centimeter, and so this is called 2 centimeter, means 0 to 2. If we will go from 0 to 2, then it's called 0 centimeter. If we will go from 0 to 1, it's called 1 centimeter. And if we will go from 0 to 3, it's called 3 centimeter. And when we will go 0 to 4, it's called 4 centimeter. Why? Because 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 is again a 1 centimeter, and 1 plus 1 is 2 centimeter. So when we go from 0 to 1, it is 1. When we go from 0 to 2, it is 2 centimeter. So, so the longer lines, you can see here the longest line. So the longer lines represent centimeters, and the shorter one between these two longer one, means these two longer lines and these two longer lines and these two longer line. So so the shorter line between two longer line is called division of centimeters, because the longer line is called centimeters and the shorter line between these two longer line is called division of centimeters. And this is how we can measure like 1 centimeter, like 2 centimeter, like 3 centimeter here, 0 to 4 centimeter. This is how we can go further on. Now let's move to next slide. So in the next slide, it is also written as we measure the length from 0 mark by counting the number from 0 to 50. We always measure the length from 0 mark. Okay, we cannot start from 1. Okay, we always start from 0 mark. But wherever the 0 is written, we have to start counting from there only. We read the length as 1 centimeter, like 0 to 1 centimeter. We read the length 0 to 2 means 2 centimeter. We always read from 0. Okay, and 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and so on. Now let's move to next. So as I already told you, we write centimeter. We use the short form centimeter, means whenever we have to measure the smaller object, we always use centimeter. But it is not necessary to write centimeter in full form. We can use the short form cm, centimeter. And when you see your scale, your own scale, you also see the cm on the scale, centimeter, cm. So this is how you can use your scale to measure the length. Let's let's measure the pencil with the ruler. Okay, so keep the pencil on the table. First you have to keep the pencil on the table. Keep ruler beside it, means you have to keep the ruler beside it. Place one end of the pencil on the 0 mark. Because why from 0 mark? Because we always start from 0. So you have to keep the one end of the pencil on the 0 mark. And then you have to count it. Look at the other end of the pencil. How you can look at the other end? Like, let's see in the second image. Suppose the pencil is this much of long. So let's start counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have to see the other end of the pencil. Which number coincide with the ruler? You can tell me which number coincide with the ruler. On the ruler, you can see which number? 14. You can see the other end of the pencil is at which number? 14. So the length of the pencil is what? Length of the pencil is 14 centimeter. Why? Because ruler is of centimeter. So we always say, we will not say 40. We always say 14 centimeter. Now you have to use your eraser and your scale to measure the length of the eraser. This question is practice for you. You should share your answer with me. Thank you.